Guys, if you are using PhonePe application and if you want to link HDFC bank account with PhonePe, then the very first step you have to do is you have to open the PhonePe application. Once the application is completely started, this is the kind of basic interface you will be able to see on your mobile screen. On the home screen itself, you will be able to check out your UPI ID. Now to link HDFC bank account, select profile option which is present on the left hand side top corner. After that, we are on the next page. Here you can check out your name, your mobile number, the payment method which you have already added. So you can see I have added Kotak and IndusInd Bank already. Select view all payment methods, and on the next page click on add new option to add the new bank account. Now here you can see there are multiple banks present over here. HDFC Bank is also present. But if you don't find HDFC Bank over here, you can simply select the search option and type HDFC, and then HDFC Bank will be visible over here. Select that bank. Currently it is finding the HDFC Bank account which is linked to my mobile number, as you can see. Now I have two bank account in HDFC, which is why it is showing me two account, and both the account are added successfully. So simply click on done option, and now you can see both of my HDFC accounts are added over here. But in case if you have only one account, then only one account will be added, obviously. Now if you want to remove the other account which you don't want to add in PhonePe, or which you don't want to link with PhonePe, you can select that other bank account, scroll down, and you have an option of unlink bank account over here. You can select that option and select unlink. Now you can see the other bank account which I don't wanted to add in PhonePe, that is removed. Only one HDFC bank account is here now. So guys, these are the simple steps you have to follow in order to link your HDFC bank account with PhonePe application. If you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.